Suzuki are proud to present the Suzuki Vitara S 1.4 Boosterjet. This vehicle has 29,000 miles, is an ALLGRIP model, so features 4x4 and is £140 per year to tax and comes with 2 keys. Starting at the front, we have large daytime running lights with the black bezels, xenon headlamps with the red insert to allow flow of the colour on the bodywork, chrome front grille which ties in well with the chrome up the sides. As you can see, we have integrated turn signals on the chrome door handles, door mirrors, sorry. Black 17-inch alloy wheels, all in great condition with no need for tyres or any refurb. Black door mouldings with arch mouldings which tie in well with the alloys and the privacy glass. On the rear we have a rear skid plate which matches the front one, rear parking sensors and a reversing camera. And as we can spot the chrome roof rails, the Vitara S definitely has a sporty look. Now we will quickly move on to the interior to have an idea of the specification. Starting with the electric folding door mirrors, they are heated. As you can see, the red theme follows in throughout the vehicle, right down to the stitching on the steering wheel, gear knob and the interior. Half leather, half Alcantara, with a whole host of extras: auto stop start, radar braking, parking sensors, adaptive cruise control, Bluetooth media functions, satellite navigation with smartphone mirror link and voice command, aircon with front and rear heated screen, USB connectivity and 12-volt charging socket, with an adjustable 4x4 mode in the centre which features auto, snow and sport, as well as a lockable differential. Thank you for taking your time out to watch this video. If you have any questions about the vehicle, please feel free to give us a call on 0113 271 2288. Thank you for watching and we look forward to hearing from you soon. This vehicle will come with a service if needed and an MOT. If you haven't already, please feel free to have a look at our reviews on Facebook, Auto Trader and Google. Thank you.